are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, what's going on? All right, we're going to get our cheesesteak on. So, you know how I'm going to Chicago to do the deep dish pizza? Well, I'll talk to Tammy about also going to Philadelphia and try out the best cheesesteaks. So if you happen to know the best cheesesteak in Philadelphia, put it in the comments down below. But in the meantime, let me have you come in and I'll show you a little bit of ingredients we'll be using today. All right, so let's talk about the sauce first. I'm using Worcestershire sauce, but it says to use a different sauce that I don't have. But I promise I'll give you the original recipe down below. If you can find the sauce, more power to you. So let's get started. So we got Worcestershire, salt and pepper for flavor. Got the steaks they're shaved like thinly. Onions, poblano peppers or Anaheim chilies, bell pepper, smoked gouda, provolone, and hoagie rolls. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to saute the peppers and onions in a little bit of butter. Toss in the bell peppers and onions and the poblano peppers. I'm just going to throw it all in there. Plenty of room. Everything should shrivel up a little bit and shrink. They tell you to saute this, then push it to the side, put the meat in. I'm changing that. I don't feel comfortable. I don't want to overcook the peppers. So I'm going to put them in this glass bowl right here, right next to the pan. Cook the meat, throw the peppers back in. All right, so now it's time to get the meat in there. We got the peppers in a bowl. Little pepper. Okay, a lot of pepper. A little bit of salt. Okay, everything's coming along nicely. Salt, pepper, Worcestershire. The meat's cooking away. We're going to let that get all beautiful. And then we're going to throw the peppers back in, get it all mixed together, and get everything incorporated together. Okay, this smells really, really good. Like, I bet this is what Philadelphia smells like right now. We'll get it all mixed in. Now we're going to take our hoagie rolls, and just toast them on a pan, toast them in the oven, toast them wherever you want to toast them. All right, guys, let's put it together. We're going to put these on bottom. That is the bottom, right? Yeah, that's the bottom. Okay. Then we're going to take our peppers and our meat, pile it on. I don't care if it falls all over the place. That's the fun of making cheesesteak. Okay, now top it with provolone. Give that a minute. That'll melt. That's it. It's authentic. It's the real deal. Let's top it. Give that a little bit of a press down. Okay, to be totally honest with you, never been to Philadelphia. Never had a cheesesteak from Philadelphia. But I have had Philadelphia cheesesteak. It's really good. So we're going to try this in a minute. If you want to see a cheesesteak wars where we tore through Philadelphia, leave it in the comments down below. We'll talk about scheduling it, okay? But for right now, I'm going to try this. Here we go. Mm. Mm. They had a place in California, in Burbank, that made them this good. This is really good, guys. Super easy. You saw me do it. If I can do it, you can do it. All right? Let me know what you think. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode.